Hi guys, this is Yan. I just found an interesting drawing method and share with you. Hope you like it. Well, choose a photo from the cell phone. A little ugly, right? Now, fix the paper. I use A4 paper. It's best to fix the four corners of the paper. Then, fix the pen. I use a gel pen. Of course, you can use other pens, which I have introduced in my previous videos. Turn on the power. Adjust the position of the pen through the software. Click the preview button first. Confirm the drawing position. And then click the Start button. Welcome to the Debian channel. If you are not been here before, my name is Yan, and I run this channel with my partner, the Bai together. We like to share small mini devices such as laser engraving machines, writing, drawing robot. This is the original speed drawing. Please feel free to leave a message if you have any questions or ideas. This is the batching writing and drawing robot. It can draw and write. I uploaded a lot of videos before. You can check it out. If you are interested in this writing robot, please log into the batching website for detailed instructions. This writing machine is available on Alibaba and Amazon. Okay, done. It took 27 minutes. What do you think? Does it look good? Is it beautiful? I also drew another one. What do you think? Do you want to draw your beautiful photos like this? Just do it.